Today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to get more out of ChatGPT. It's called agent mode, and it lets ChatGPT read and interact with websites just like a human can. Let's take a look. So what is agent mode? It was added to ChatGPT a couple of months ago, and it lets ChatGPT create a virtual desktop to view and interact with web pages directly on your behalf. Normal ChatGPT can only read text, which is useful, but it has its limitations. Agent mode can see images, click buttons and links, download files like PDFs, and a whole lot more. It's great if you want ChatGPT to do work for you and interact with the web. So let me give you an example. Let's ask ChatGPT to describe the image at the top of this site. So I'll say, describe the image on the top of xray.tools. Let's see what happens. So it's searching xray.tools, and it's saying that there's a hero section with a prominent image and a title, but it doesn't actually describe what the image is. And this is because I'm in regular ChatGPT right now. I'm not in agent mode. If I want to go into agent mode, I come down here and I click on this little icon here with a cursor, and that is agent mode. So I'm just going to copy this exact same prompt in agent mode and paste it and see what happens now. Now, it's going to take a little bit longer, and it should actually open up what looks like a little window. It's going to navigate to the page. Let's give it a second here. So it opens up its own browser, navigates to xray.tools. We actually get a screenshot of it, and now it describes it in much more detail. A woman with dark hair, wearing round glasses with an XR t-shirt, intently using a tablet. Around her head are floating icons of common automation platforms, Zapier's orange asterisk, Make's purple M, right? It interprets this image in much more detail. And this is because agent mode can actually see this image. Unfortunately, agent mode is a paid subscription only feature, so you're going to need a plus subscription or higher. But like all the features in these AI platforms, the more you pay, the higher the limits are for using agent mode. Describing a hero image is nice, but let's give it a more advanced research task. I'm going to ask it to find and download a file. I'm going to have it find me a classic book and download it from Project Gutenberg. That's a great site for finding free public domain books. I'm just going to paste this prompt here. Find a couple of highly recommended public books for me, dealer's choice, and download them as EPUB files from Project Gutenberg. Now come over here to this plus button and scroll down to agent mode, and you can see how many agent mode prompts you have left and when your plan resets. So I'm going to turn on agent mode, and I'm going to click go. We're going to get to see it exploring the web here. So we can see the browser open, and we can see the agent mode actually clicking and navigating through the site. We can even see it, quote, thinking as it is processing what is on the screen. Great Expectations by Charles Dickens, not something that I have personally read, but it could be a nice read. And you can see that ChatGPT is bouncing between the browser and the terminal. So here are two widely praised public domain classics, along with a brief explanation for why each is highly recommended and the download links for the EPUB editions. There we go. I have them right here. These were downloaded directly from Project Gutenberg, so they're free to use and compatible with standard e-readers. Agent mode was able to pick some books for me, find them on Project Gutenberg, download and rename them for me, all without requiring anything else but a prompt. And here's the book that opened up in Apple Books. And we're good to get reading. Need help with your AI automations and workflows? Reach out to X-Ray Hourly for flexible one-on-one support. Our certified experts will help you build your projects in tools like Cursor, Zapier, N8N, and more, and you'll learn how it all works as you go. Just go to hourly.xray.tech to get started and book your first session this week. AI tools like ChatGPT are constantly evolving. Specialized features like agent mode open up new possibilities for research and workflow automation. Try it out today and let me know in the comments below, what are you using agent mode for? And what other AI features would you like to see me cover on the channel? Drop a comment below and we might cover it in a future video. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company X-Ray by searching for X-Ray Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go. So until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.